Also, I have the honor to welcome here today you, our parents. We are glad that this occasion is the most meaningful one because it is a personal achievement not only by our children but by the whole family as well. I also have the privilege and wisdom for this occasion. And lastly, of course, our teachers, especially Teacher Susan, the class advisor, and of course, Teacher Anna.
And they have grown socially, mentally, and academically. Because of your compassionate and love-filled teachings, they are now ready to step into the next level of your very career at the very beginning in shaping